Hey everyone, it is time for our latest and greatest Tara's must-have. This is a shallow baker, this is a bread basket, and this is so much more. Our beautiful stoneware. I love the depth here. Look at this elongated shape right here. Absolutely stunning. And I love the fact that you have that gorgeous stoneware inside and outside, all of that hand painting, the rope detail if you're picking up old world, beaded if you're picking up floral lace. We have it in woodland, but look at how beautiful this is. You can bake your bread right inside here. Look at this. I just did a quick little twist on all of that, and look at this. It pops right out, even heating all the way around. Look at how beautiful that is. Now, could I slice it in there? Sure. For time's sake, I'm just going to take it right over here to the cutting board, cut a few slices, because look how beautiful. You can start to layer these pieces right inside there. Look at the one I have in the back where I actually draped it with some napkins, and then you can have all of your different rolls and different pieces that you have there, slices of bread, so your baguettes, all of those different things. So you actually baked in there, you served in there. Look at this, pop that right back in. Everybody can help themselves. Absolutely love this. But then think about cold things staying colder longer. Yes, we call it a bread basket, but this is a multi-baker. You can do your cold salads, your pasta salads, your mayonnaise-based salads, things that you want to keep cold, chill it ahead of time, and then bring it to the table. Look what I did here. I love serving in here. There's that beautiful white woodland where I have my 6 hot dogs. I have 5 hamburgers. Nice capacity here that you see, that elongated shape. You guys, this is under $18. Where can you find it? Over at temp-tations.com. We have Old World, we have Floral Lace, we have Woodland, and this is a must-have. You need to get it home and start using it because it's perfect indoor and outdoor.